Hey guys, welcome to a Links workshop. In this video I'm going to tell you how to build a cat. A cat is a shortcut tool with 25 buttons that you can program as you wish. So first of all, we go to the internet, links-workshop.com. So here you will find everything that you need. A little bit down under free downloads, you can download the whole package. Then we go to the download folder, unzip the file. And here we'll find all you need. So PDF parts, list and circuits. That's all you need. This is the 3D printed parts and the electronics. You will need 25 micro switches, one microcontroller, ATA Mega 32U4. That's exactly the one you need. An USB micro cable and some wires to connect everything together, like in this circuit. Under STLs, you will find all STLs for the 3D printing. Just to show how it looks. Here we go. And the rest of it. Then you will find the code. This is an Arduino code. Everything you need. And also you can find the Blender folder where you can change the design if you want to. So besides that, if you go on links-workshop.com and then to tutorials, you will find all the instructions that you need to build it. The 3D printing, electronics, assembly, coding, and 3D modeling. I'm going to quickly explain how it all works. So also, if you go to intention, you can see what's the goal of everything. So the purpose, what I would like to do. A proper GUI for the software, then different modules for the thumb, trackball module and joystick, different sizes. And please guys, support me if you can, would be very nice. And also if you have questions, you can go to forum. And I have created two groups, one is on Telegram, one is on Signal, and also you can just put your questions in here. And if you don't want to build your own cat, you can pre-order it. Or, well, that's a goal, to be able to produce it. But till then, you can just leave your email address here, and as soon I'll be able to produce it, I will let you know.